Let's make Planteray Rum's version of the Beachcomber's Daiquiri. To make this drink, I'm going to start with 1/4 ounce of my 1:1 simple syrup. I do make my own simple syrup. Recipe is here on the channel. Video will be linked down below if you want to check it out. 1/4 ounce is 7.5 milliliters. 3/4 of an ounce of fresh squeezed lime juice. 3/4 of an ounce is 22.5 milliliters. 1 ounce of dry curacao. 1 ounce is 30 milliliters. Ooh, almost lost the cap. And finally, 2 ounces of your Planteray 3 stars. 2 ounces is 60 milliliters. Now, I'm gonna go crush some ice. I'll be right back with you. Now, I believe the recipe said that you were supposed to blend it with shaved ice. I can't shave ice, I can't shave ice yet. I'll get a shaver someday. So that's why I crushed it. And 1 scoop, 4 ounces, is half a cup, which is something, 120 milliliters. I'm gonna put that, maybe just a hair more. Perfect. Now, I'm gonna blend this. I'll be right back with you. It does say blend till smooth. I think this is smooth enough. I'm just gonna pour that right into my glass. That's not a bad fit for a margarita glass. Garnish is a lime wheel, pre-cut, because I pre-cut it. And there you have it, the Planteray Rum's version of the Beachcomber's Daiquiri. Drink with good spirits.